So if you're someone who has installed an n8n locally, is that on localhost or any kind of an instance, and you somehow like forgot your username or password, which is very common. And as you can see, like right now I have forgot my username or password, and it is giving me a wrong username or password error. So in this video we are going to fix this issue with n8n, and to see how you can do that, just stay on the video. Okay, so as you can see, like I'm running it locally and it is giving me a wrong username or password error on my terminal as well. So to fix that, you have to first find the directory that where you have installed. Since I am running it locally, I have installed it on my C drive. So you have to go C drive, your users, and then your username, and then you have to find the folder that is .n8n. And here there is two file .config and database.sqlite. SQLite is basically a database, so you have to use any kind of website to open that SQL file. So I'm using this website, and I'm going to import that database.sqlite file, and it will show me all the tables. You have to go to users table. There you will find your username, email, and password. Okay, now the thing with this is that this password is hashed for not an n8n. So like once I try this username and password, like let me copy this, and as you can see that it is still giving me the wrong username and password. So the best thing you can do here is that just read the database.sqlite file here, and it is saying me that I can't do it because it's already running. So I have to first stop it and then delete this file, and I have to delete this config file as well. And after that you have to like run it again, which will automatically make a default on SQLite file and config file. Okay, so let's just wait, and I'm going to like refresh now, and as you can see that it's giving me asking my username, my email for sign up. So I'm just like giving a password, and now that is done, you can see the welcome page, and like just fill this and you will be ready to use your n8n workflows. Click on get started, click on skip, and then just start from the scratch, and that's all. So if you like this video, please give a like. That will be really helpful for me, and thank you for watching.